Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Tonight, I just want to give the update. Like, what can we expect tomorrow on the GER30 during the London session? It's quite some time I've been not making a video. Why? Because you see, I've been making some videos and then I tend to see that people, it seems like they don't like it. Maybe it is not a helping unto them. Because all I'm asking, to subscribe, it doesn't even take you a cent. You just subscribe, you click that notification button, and then you like, you comment, and then that's where we improve or we check where we can help for us to improve. So, without any further ado, without any waste of time, let's start in a weekly time frame. If we check on a weekly time frame, when we look at this last candlestick of the German, we can tell that around Friday, the market was just like from Monday last week, it was just going down, meaning we are just ranging, but the overall trend it is on the uptrend. But for now, the market it was on the consolidation phase. So for us to go and then we get our analysis to understand what to expect. Let's go to the daily time frame. We just need to do it like textbook, easy like A, B, C, D. Okay, even on a daily time frame, it tells us that we are bearish. 4 hour. When we check on a 4 hour time frame, there is something that we need to note here. You see, here, this is the current high, and from there, this is our current low. Because if you can check, look at here. The market was creating lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, break of structure, and then it came down here, breaking this structure all down to here. So when we start to analyze it now, we check this is the current high, the current low. Why this is the current low? Because this is where we have broken the structure from. And now anything happening here, it is the internal structure. Since we are on a 4 hour, let's go straight to the 1 hour time frame so that we can be able to see the clear picture. Now, since this is the internal structure, what do we have again? Look at here. This is our high. So since we are playing onto this high and this is the low of the based internal structure where the market just turned. And when you go back to the 4 hour, look what you can see. You see, it's like it went down. Before it went down, it came back and then dropped, break a structure. Now it's going back up. I feel like it's a retracement for me, meaning we are still on a downtrend. How can now we manage to get our entry point? Since this is our current high and this is our current low, why? Because we have broken the structure right here. The market now is going back up, coming to retrace here. If it failed to break here, tomorrow we are looking to go down. During the London session, if we fail to break here, when we wake up, we found that the market has failed to break here. Unfortunately, we are going down. So now, since we can tell that we are on a bearish momentum, we go back to the high time frame. What now am I doing? I want to do some pure price action. Yes, we have seen that we are on a bearish, but now we need to get more confirmations. And then this is my current highs and the current low according to the pure price action. As I was telling you, see, the market is just ranging in the inside here. So for us to get the entry, we need to be very clever or very smart. Because remember, those who are moving the market, they are making money. So even us, we need to be part of those people whom they are making money. Now we are on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, we still need to eliminate a lot of noise. What am I saying? Now we use a step line checking where we have back tested multiple times. If you check here, back test, back test, back test, this is where the market was pumping. And then again, when I come here, this is I can use this one because of here and because it's going up, remember? And then back test, back test, back test. If I get a three back test, that is a confirmation for me to use that zone as a strong zone. So now I come back to the 4 hour time frame. When I come back to the 4 hour time frame, I still need more picture for me to get to understand what can I expect. When I draw a trend line, it's not necessary. I don't want to put a trend line. Now I go back to the 1 hour time frame. On my 1 hour time frame, what do we have? We have this. We have this is the trend line that we seems to intend to break, meaning we can look to come somewhere here. But for now, let's wait. And then we break, we remove that trend line because it is not necessary for us to use a trend line until the certain point. So now, what can we do on a 30 minutes time frame? Can we manage to put a trend? Still, the trend line it tells us that it's being broken. But still, I'm saying we are bearish. Now, for me to get a clear picture, I need to come and open the London session for me so that I can be able to spot these zones very perfectly. Because this line is here, yes, I understand there is multiple touches here. I think I rather move this line to here. This is the high that it is matching now with my bank zone. Meaning, if we fail to break here, what we now we expect? We expect the market to reject from here and then come back, break here, test, and then come down to tap here. If not, if the market is going to do what? To break right here, test here, and then we expect the market to push to come and reach this another bank zone. But for now, we are expecting the market to be bearish. Why? Because we see the structure, it tells us that the market it is bearish. In a high time frame, the market confirmed to us it is bearish, and now it is a retracement phase. So what are we expecting onto the GM30? We expect it to come and tap here, give us a rejection, and then now we take our entry from here. We can target here 300 points or 100, but for me, I target 100 pips most of the time. But look another picture, what I want you to see. If you check here, what do you see? Look, because the market it was going up here, since it breaks here, there is a fair value gap. Where is the fair value gap? The fair value gap it's in this place right here. And then now, right here, it means this market it can come even to tap here. And then when it taps here, that's when now we can come back and then tap onto the uh, previous bank zone and then drop, and then that's when now we can be able to spot our entry. Guys, tell me what do you think about the video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Cheers. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell me your view. Shalom.